say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
And we are back. We are about to leave the gas station. I believe we are about to go down to the ferry again. We did that yesterday as well, but with a different group. This time I'll be in the back just chilling, man. Not doing anything too crazy. Yes, sir. God, that thing, I can feel that on my foot. I can feel that on my foot. Here in small town USA. I had to change my playlist from what I was listening to because I ain't got a jacket on and stuff, and well, that playlist tends to make me want to ride like a hooligan. Hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. Woo! Let's see it, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Way to start it off. Way to get us started. My boy Dustin. Yes, sir, Dustin. Yes, sir. I know I didn't get to send you the footage from the other day, man. I will tonight. I promise you, I got you tonight. I'm gonna edit the videos tonight. I gotta post in the morning anyway. It's Sunday. It's the Lord's Day, man. Jesus, that thing scared me. It scared me right there. Well, you can hang your hat on. Speaking of which, man, all y'all, man, do what makes you happy. Don't try and appease anybody else, man. You're good, bro. When you try and appease other people's, when just don't ever try and appease anybody else. You know what I mean? Like, do you. Do what makes you happy, man. Whatever it may be. Whether it's riding bikes, being into cars, collecting Hot Wheels, whatever it might be, man. I don't know. Just do you. Do whatever makes you happy. That's the important thing in life. Yes, sir. Attaboy. Man, I need me one of them little torque monsters right there. Oh yeah. Well, as I was saying, man, do whatever makes you happy. Like, don't ever do something to make somebody else happy. At the end of the day, it's your money, your life decisions that you're making. So why would you do it to appease somebody else? You're the one that has to live with it. You know what I mean? So do that stuff, baby. Do what? Hell yeah. Alright, don't get on to me too bad about this, man. Don't act like y'all ain't never done this. Everyone has done it. It's just part of human nature, man. Whenever you don't hear something someone says, you don't want to be rude and just act like you ignored them if you're in a situation like this. So you just say like, hell yeah, or me too, or just smile and be like, that's awesome, man. You know, you've done it. Don't lie. Don't act like you ain't no better than us. I need me a little torque monster like that. That thing, I guarantee, is so easy to wheelie. Everybody's told me it wants to wheelie. It just, I'm gonna have to ride one. Oh yeah. He said he hasn't really rode his R1 since he bought that bike. He said he loves riding it more. Oh yeah, baby. You're gonna love it. Like I told you, man, I had to change my playlist. I'm listening to country right now. I love all genres of music, man, honestly. Except for jazz, unless it's in person. I like jazz when it's in person. Chasing. Paints. Oh yeah. I want to see him wheelie. I've not seen him wheelie yet, and he said he can, so let's see it. He might not be feeling it though. I don't know, he ain't got no gear on. A lot of us ain't in no gear right now. It's hot though. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Woo! I'm hyped. Even though I ain't doing nothing too crazy, man. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Woo! Gotta get those flames on there for y'all. Woo! Let's see them talk, baby. Let's hear her talk. Boy Dustin is. I got you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I thought he was gonna get the whole turn. Hell yeah, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Not that one. That's like a sad country song. That's what's crazy about country, bro, is it has like all different moods and flows. I mean, a lot of different genres do, but especially country. Whoa! I don't know this song, but I know it. You know what I mean? I've heard it. Whoa! You better run me, mommy. Oh, that's like Miranda Lambert or something. What is this we got up here? What is this? It's like a Beamer, I think. And the other trying to walk the line. So Friday at 5, man, I work, but I don't climb. Boss man can shove that overtime up his cane. All I wanna do is put a drink in my hand. Oh, hell yeah, man. We're chilling, ain't we, baby? I'm a simple man. All you gotta do is put a drink in my hand. Fill sir. We got a thumbs up from him. Hell yeah. With a long neck, on with the band. All you gotta do is put a drink in my hand. Sorry, I just readjusted the camera. I don't know if it's at a bad angle or what. But it was aimed more down than normal, so I'd say it probably was at a bad angle. Say, ooh, 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 when you dance like that, you got that little tattoo, playing peekaboo on your back. Sheesh! Hell yeah! I got some of that Willie back there, for sure. I was telling them that I told you I was gonna go through the footage and send it to you, and I ain't get to. I'm going to tonight. I got you. I got you, for sure. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. What's up, puppy? Damn, she's bad. I hope she heard that. That's a bad boy. Sheesh! Boy, that's a bad oh, God! Oh yeah. With a car like that, she either got a sugar daddy or a real good job and just likes cars. One of the two. Or daddy done bought it for her. One of the three. Something like that. What we got over here? Look like a sport touring bike, I believe, over here. What is it? Oh yeah, that's definitely like sport touring. V-Strom. Some people that sketches out lane splitting, especially like mid-turn. But I don't know, man. It depends on how far apart the cars are for me and how they've been driving. If I see it's like an erratic driver, nah, I ain't getting between you and somebody else. You're something else. I don't want to be nowhere near you. Oh no. I fished it. I used to live right up the road. Really? And fished in it, but I never caught anything in there. Nothing worth looking at.